After draining your gearbox, you can see, and a thing that you need to note is there is this straw, this small pipe that you need to remove. Is the one that it can prevent all the CVT from draining out. Yeah. So there is this thing that you need to so you actually screw it using the same Allen key that you use to open the drain cock. So of course you can see, because it goes there inside, if you don't remove it, quite some amount of the CVT fluid will not come out, so you need to gently screw it back. It was not that tight, so I don't intend to tighten it. I can feel that it's still quite loose. Yeah, sounds like now it's tight. That's enough. Okay, so I can see that the dripping have now stopped. Quite some ATF came out, and I'm nervous as hell because I can see that it's quite black, but it was expected because the car have close to 200,000 miles without servicing the CVT. So what I want to do is measure the exact amount that came from there, because of course I can see that I did not drain the whole, I did not drain the whole fluid, because in order for you to do that, you'll need to remove the pan, because of course you can see that where the cork was is a bit depressed, so you expect there's some fluid here but still not drained. But that's okay. Even at some point I want to store this used ATF because of the slippage. Yeah, if the car have high mileage, if you put a new ATF, it can cause slippage, but that's something we'll see.